This is Ms. Shaw, and I'm going to demonstrate how to put a 7th grade Model 2 schedule into a Model 2 template. First, you need to make a copy and save it to your drive so that you can edit it, because this copy is view only. I've already done that. This is my copy. So if you scroll up there, that is where my copy is. And below it, I've put a sample 7th grade Model 2 schedule. I used the snippet tool and copied and pasted it into here so that I don't have to flip back and forth between screens. It makes it a little easier so that I can just add things that are here up to here into the model. 7th grade Model 2 schedules have math and English in periods 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14, 15. You might have math first, you might have English first. They're interchangeable, and there are different teachers for each one. So in this schedule, we're just going to start, and we're going to start with Mr. Altimos and homeroom. Homeroom is 10 minutes long, so I'm going to put Mr. Altimos here for homeroom, and I'm going to use this text wrapping tool right here so that I can fit his whole name in. And it's right there, Mr. Altimos. Then I'm going to look at this schedule, and I see on a day 1, this student has STEM in trimester 1. STEM is design and modeling. It's one of our Project Lead the Way classes, and the teacher is Mr. Schools. So STEM is period 1, 2, 3, and 4. So across the top here, this student has STEM. I'm going to merge these cells together, and I'm just going to type STEM. On an even day, period 1, this student has general music with Mrs. Crotty. I'm going to put GM right here for general music, and then look at periods 3 and 4. In periods 3 and 4, they have computer applications with Mr. Adams. So I will put CA for computer applications. Now we're going to look at periods 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to scroll down, and this person has science semester 1. We know that it's semester 1 because there's an S1. So you might have science semester 1, you might have social studies semester 1. We're going to put science up here, and the teacher was Mrs. Hess. Science. And I will merge all of these cells together so that we just see science. So far we have homeroom, STEM, general music, and computer apps, and science. Science is every day. It's both odd and even, but STEM is just odd, and general music and computer apps are just even. Next, we have lunch. In our virtual world, lunch is the same time for everyone, 11:22 to 11:56. Once we're back in the building, that will change, but for now, everybody has lunch at the same time. Now we're going to start to look at English and math. This student has math first with Mr. Haig. So they have math during periods 10, 11, and 12. So we'll type math right here. Next, they have English. So if we scroll down, we see they have English with Mrs. Larson. Now we're going to look at the end of the day, periods 16 and 17. So let's scroll down. And period 16 on an odd day, trimester 1, is Spanish with Senora Mandel. So we're going to scroll back up, and we're going to put Spanish right here. And we're going to look at the even day. On an even day, this student has PE. So we look to see here, PE, it's an even day, 16, 17. Then we can type PE right here. This day 1 and day 2 right here are the odd and even day designations. So that's how you can tell if it's odd or even, day 1 and day 2. And once we're back in the building, you'll see those are where the room numbers are. This is where the course description is, and that's the teacher you're going to have. So now we have a completely filled out schedule. At the top, the model is filled out. If you have any questions about how to add your schedule that looks like this into a model that looks like this, please reach out to your school counselor.